Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, the error you can see on the screen. First it went to the diagnostic your PC, then I got this error. Your PC did not start correctly. If you are facing the same issue, this video is for you. I will show you step by step how you can fix this issue. So step number 1, we need to click on advanced options, and this happens due to abrupt power shutdown, any hardware changes you have made, or system corruption or file corruption on your Windows. Then click on troubleshoot. If you are facing this issue first time, you can choose this option or turn off your PC and then turn it on. But if you are facing this issue frequently, then click on troubleshoot, startup settings, and simply click on startup repair. Startup repair will diagnose your PC and will try to automatically resolve your issue. Checking disk for hours. This might take over an hour. It is showing up. Attempting repairs. Just wait. It took almost 2 to 3 minutes to repair this, but if your window it might take 30 to 40 minutes. As you can see, my issue has been fixed. But if your issue is still not resolved guys, and you are not able to access your PC like this, so you need to forcefully perform the shutdown on your laptop. First of all, you need to turn off your PC completely from here. Just press and hold the power button for 15 seconds here, and once you press completely, it will completely shut down your laptop. Now you need to turn it on, but this method is only for those who are not able to access advanced recovery option. And once the window loads, you need to shut it down. But in my Windows, it's now once laptop is completely shut down or system is completely shut down, you need to turn it on, and as soon as the window loads, you need to again press and hold the power button like this, and you need to do it 2 to 3 times. Turn it on, and as soon as window loads or spins, you need to shut it down. And once you shut it down, you will get the automatic repair options. So once you get this screen, you need to click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, and then you need to click on command prompt, and you need to type here the command sfc space / scannow. This command will repair any Windows corruption if you have, and will try to fix those. Now if you see, Windows found the corruption, but it has successfully repaired them. That means that this command has fixed the Windows corruption. Now next command you need to type here is chkdsk space /f space /r space the drive letter where your window is, C colon, most of the window is in a C drive, so type here C colon and press the enter key. Once you press the enter key, it will go to 5 stages. It will take some time depending on you are using SSD or hard drive. Hard drive may take longer than SSD, ETA is showing up here, 12 minutes 32 seconds around. So once this command is completed successfully, it will automatically stop. You need to close this out from here, and you need to click on continue with Windows 11. If this is also unable to fix your issue and you are still facing the same issue, so what you can do is you can click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, then click on system restore. If you have recently made a system restore or it is enabled on your system, you can click on next option, and here is the latest restore point on our Windows. Just click on next, then click on finish and click on yes. And once you click on yes option, your system will be restored to the working state and your issue will be fixed after that. If you haven't made the system restore anyhow, so we have to cross this out, and we can go to troubleshoot, then advanced options, and click on startup setting, and open your window in a safe mode. Just click on restart, and you need to press here F4 key. This is F4, or even you can press 4 here, so both option will work. Number 4 key. Now if system is not going into the safe mode, so that means that the corruption level is on a bigger level and you may have to format your Windows. So this is the safe mode. So what we can do in a safe mode, that open a control panel. If search bar is not working, you can press Window plus R button, Windows plus R key, and open the run command. Type for control and open this option, programs and features, and uninstall the recently installed program. Click on filter one, just search with the filter one, then latest, choose the latest one, then click on uninstall the software. And once you uninstall the software from your Windows, you need to restart your Windows normally now. If also restart is not working, guys, you can see here. So as you can see here, my start menu is not working, search bar is not working. So you can press Window and R button again and type here cmd and hit this command, shutdown space R space /T space 0, and this will shut down space /R space /T space 0, and this will restart your window in a normal mode, and you should be able to fix your issue now. On the startup screen, you can also press and hold the shift key and restart it until you see the advanced recovery options. Now you can release the shift key, click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, and now system restore we have already tried. Command prompt, startup settings. Now you need to click on uninstall update. Click on uninstall latest quality update and just click on uninstall quality update. Then it will ask you to restart your Windows like this. We are performing the uninstalling latest quality update. Since update can cause this issue sometime, automatic repair or the blue screen of death error kind of, so it's better to uninstall the latest quality update. Now you will see it is done completed. Click on done, and then you need to turn off your PC. And then you need to turn it on again and see if that is able to fix your issue or not. If any issue is related to Windows update, it will fix your issue. But if you have made any hardware changes on your computer, you might have to roll back those. Click on troubleshoot. Again, go to same options and try this time uninstall latest feature update. Click that option and click on uninstall latest feature update. And if both is not working, then you need to click on here troubleshoot, then click on reset PC, and you have to reset your PC. I recommend you to choose this option, keep my files. Choose that option, it will save your data. And choose the cloud download from your Windows, but you need to make sure that you have 4 GB of data, otherwise you can good to go with local reinstall. Click that option and you will see reset this PC, getting connection ready. And if you see any kind of error while performing this, just do the local reinstall on your Windows. As you can see here, you need to select your Wi-Fi, then click on next option here. Okay, so these are the steps to fix the issue, guys, and I'm pretty sure after resetting your PC your issue will be fixed. If somehow reset is also not working for you, unable to reset your PC, so make a bootable pen drive and perform the fresh reinstallation on your Windows. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.